The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Marcos Police Department is searching for Legend Taurus, Hispanic, male, 2 years old, 3 feet 1 inch, 30 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. They were last seen at 1 p.m. on April 27th, 2024 at 205 South PM Allen Parkway in San Marcos, Texas. Police are looking for Joey Torres, 46 years old, Hispanic, male, 5 feet 10 inches, 400 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a black shirt, gray shorts, and red and white Jordans, in connection with their abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Marcos Police Department at 512-753-2108. p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 7 p.m. DFW Airport, light rain, 79, dew point 70, relative humidity 74%, wind southeast at 17, pressure 29.69 inches and falling. Fort Worth Meacham, cloudy, 78.
Always guessing.